Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your digital tools. In this video, we will be showing you how to create a table using Excel sheet and PowerPoint. So before that, I'm gonna show you in the Excel. Let's start with the Excel sheet. Here in the screen, I already made up a Excel sheet is about the customer contact list. Here some informations you can see in the Excel sheet. So I will take it to the PowerPoint and present to the audience by the PowerPoint. So how can you do it? So there's a few steps. So I'm gonna show you before that. So I just save it. I already saved it and I am also clicking the save. And before that, what I'm gonna do, I'll just select from the beginning the data and just copy it. I can use the few options, like from the home tab you can use the copy, and also you can use the Ctrl C for the copy, and I just use both of them and copy. Then I go back to again in the Excel sheet. Here you can see I open already the PowerPoint. In the PowerPoint you can see there is no another slide. So before that, I'm gonna use another slide. So use the slide, and if I don't want to use the title or anything, just you can take out placeholder to your mouse cursors and delete it, and you can say the like contact list to your presentation. And then what I'm gonna use, I just resize it before that. Then what I'm gonna do, I will bring here the Excel presentation like Excel sheet. So how can I do that? From the insert tab, and there's the options in the table groups. Here it says that a table is a great way to organize information within your documents. So I click in here, and under the table there are also the use Excel spreadsheet. So when I click in here, now you can see this is the kind of Excel. In the top ribbon bar you can see under the PowerPoint it is the Excel sheet. So you can use your information to here. So I just paste it here. Then I can just resize it. Now I can show you how it will looks like. You can now see this is kind of like this. You can just move it with your cursors. What do you want to use? And you can just resize it, and you can use your Excel. You can use your information with this very easily. So it's very easy way to just create a Excel sheet in the PowerPoint. Just you take it from there and use your own information or own data and resize it. You can easily show up to your presentation here. Okay, let's see. So what do you want to present? Just I am going to resize it. Okay, but it's now come up with the here. Now you can see I can just fit it to the PowerPoint, and I can just move it a little bit top so it can be easily visual to the audience, and you can use that here. Now when I click on the here, now you can see it's kind of the Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so let's see how it will looks like, but it will not show up to your audience like these ones. Let's see how it looks like. So I'm gonna use the here. Now you can see this is the kind of Excel spreadsheet. Just you cannot work in here, just you can show up to your audience with the PowerPoint. Okay, for now I'm do the cancel it, and then next what I'll do, I will link this Excel sheet to with my PowerPoint. So I'm gonna do start with the new slide, and I'm using like I'm gonna take out this one, same thing first, and this is the blank one. So I'm gonna insert a symbol. So for that, when I click on the symbol or the icon, it will take up me to in the Excel spreadsheet. So let's start. So I can use the also pictures or the whatever, like if I say pictures and online pictures, and let's see it takes the several time. And if I say here Excel, if I say here, you can see this is the kind of the spreadsheet. So for now I'm using this is as that one for the symbol. Okay, and then I do resize it and take it to somewhere. For now here, just you can select here and you can just click in here. Okay, then what I'm gonna do, I just click over the Excel pictures, and what I'm gonna do, go to the insert, and under the insert tab there is the link groups, and click on the link groups. Here it say existing file or web pages are placed in document or create new documents or email address. I want to place this document like I want to use the existing file and link to the Excel sheet. So I have already saved it. So here is the contact list, and you can use also the screenshot like say Excel details or more details. I can say details in Excel, I can say, and click on that. Okay, then hit on the OK. Let's see, when I take my cursor over the object, so it's come up with the more details in Excel. So it will come when you present to your audience with the preview. Okay, before that I'm gonna just insert the new slide, and here nothing is here. Let's see how it will become. So when I am gonna use the slideshow here, and nothing is there, but when I click over the more details in Excel, let's see, so it is linked to the Excel sheet. Now you can see in your presentation, then you can just minimize it, then it will take over again to your PowerPoint slideshow. Okay, so it's very simple and very easy way to link to the Excel sheet to with your PowerPoint, and you can also use Excel as a table to your slide. And just keep remember that adjust the table to fit your slide by resizing the Excel object. You can also format the table using PowerPoint's formatting options such as changing the font size or adding borders. And that's it. You now know how to create a table using Excel sheet in PowerPoint. With this trick, you can easily create professional looking table in your presentation that are easy to update and maintain. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.